Oh man, guess what we got here? We got a new baby goat. Well, it's not a baby, it's about 4 months old. This here's Willow. This here's Willow. She's half Nubian, half Alpine. She's our new, would you quit, Peanut? She's our new milk goat. Because we lost Dottie, or I'm sorry, Ruthie, which was the mother to these two. We lost her during birth. She didn't survive birthing. So, I'm trying to get in here because these two are right in my way. And she's a beautiful, beautiful girl. Look at that, beautiful. Hi, Willow. Hi, sweetie pie. How are you? She's a beautiful girl. It's good looking. It's going to be our new milk goat. So, and we'll wait till she's over a year old to breed her. Well, how are you doing, Willow? Hi, sweetie. Well, hi, or how are you, Mr. Bojangles? Well, hi there, cutie pie. All right, so that's Willow. Introducing Willow to Split Nut Ranch. Will you get down? All right. She's good looking. She's a cutie pie.